There's something about the fact that it's this incredibly complex machine that at the same time is just so sculptural that captivated me since I was literally 2 years old. Like, I can remember every single toy we had was always a little car.
And every time I see new cars come out, new designs come out, I absolutely love it. So that kept me interested and has just kept me following cars and transportation design and design in general.
The thing that makes the automobile so unique as a product is the fact that it touches more of the human senses. It's wonderful, it's beautiful, or it's its own statement, but how it got there took a lot of talent, and a lot of choices, and a lot of collaboration.
It's really taking from the very beginning lines on paper all the way through to a finished three-dimensional vehicle and something that you might think would show up in a showroom someplace. The students here need to understand engineering, and they also need to be artists. They've got to be able to communicate an item that has passion and evokes emotion. We don't want to just emulate what's being done in industry, we want to lead what's being done in industry. Oh yeah, I've seen that. Oh yeah, I've worked with that. Sure, I know that software program. I did my senior thesis using that. That's really where we want to be and how we're positioning ourselves.
The faculty that we have in transportation design, an amazing group of people. These working professionals are able to get to know people on a personal level and imagine, how their particular personality or character would fit their studio, which is great.
The companies are really looking for people that are outside the box, super creative, super adventurous, and that's what I try to teach here at ArtCenter, that getting them to really experiment more and not be afraid.
I try to be as honest as I can. I try to relay a lot of the sentiments that we experience in the industry to the students, and it gives them a great benefit because they're effectively plugged into the real world.
The connections they make between us as students and the industry is huge. They really help us get where we want to go. They really put a lot of effort into making things happen.
If you're not doing well, they'll tell you very straightforward and you gotta get on it. So I think that's one of the best qualities here.
I teach because it gives me great satisfaction to see them succeed. But also, I enjoy looking at really good cars. So when they do good cars here, I'm like, yes, this is awesome.
Many of our students, by the time they graduate from our program, have had 2 or even 3 internships, some in Europe, some in Asia, some here in the Southern California studios.
Seeing what you expect it to be as a child, to actually seeing what happens, how they develop it, how they go through it, how they work with the clients, it just definitely makes you become a lot closer to a professional designer.
We don't really know what cars are going to be like, if they're going to be around in the future. What is that something that we don't know about yet? A lot of unexpected, really great possibilities will show up,
One was interested in space tourism and ended up, he's a designer with Virgin Galactic, and another is working on autonomous vehicles with Google. And so you just can't predict, I think, where the opportunities are going to open up in the years ahead.
I believe that if you stay in your easy, comfortable bubble, nothing will happen that can be as great as if you get out of your way.
If you really want to be a car designer and you like drawing, start sketching cars and just don't stop.
Just the raw passion and the enthusiasm has to be the #1 thing, because there's no substitute for that.
When you see a car and you see that shape and you see that design and not saying that's the most beautiful thing I've seen, but saying, I think I could do better, that's when you know you're sort of right for this place.